हेलो एवरीवन। आज आमे जानिबा OSSC 50 मोस्ट रिपीटेड MCQs। प्रथमे आमे कंप्यूटर अवेयरनेस रो क्वेश्चन करिबा। व्हाट इज द शॉर्टकट की टू इंसर्ट ए न्यू स्लाइड इन ए एक्टिव MS पावरपॉइंट प्रेजेंटेशन? कोटा कंट्रोल N, कंट्रोल M, कंट्रोल S, कंट्रोल Shift plus N। आंसर होची कंट्रोल M। Which of the following is the smallest unit of the of data storage in a digital computer? Digital computer data smallest unit data storage रे कोटा? आंसर होची bit। आंसर होची bit। नेक्स्ट, in MS Word, which function key is specially used to open the Save as dialog box directly? कोटा F12। F12 directly save as dialog box open करसी। तापरे हमें what is the full form of virus in computer science terminology? भाइरस रो फुल फॉर्म कोटा ABCD। vital information resource under CH, ऑप्शन ए। नेक्स्ट होची साइबर क्राइम मेकानिज्म ऑफ स्टीलिंग ऑफ और ट्रिकिंग ए यूजर इनटू रिवीलिंग देयर पासवर्ड इज कॉल्ड स्पोलिंग। ABCD स्पोलिंग, ब्राउजिंग स्पूइंग, फिशिंग स्पूइंग। बोधे हाँ फिशिंग। आंसर होची फिशिंग। Web pages are written and structured primarily using which language? कौ लैंग्वेज रे वेब पेज रिटर्न करा जाए लिखा जाए? आंसर होची HTML। आंसर होची HTML। नेक्स्ट, unsolicited, unwanted and bulk commercial emails are commonly referred to as ABCD spam, backbone, malware, usenet। आंसर होची spam। spam रे bulk message आसे ताको हम spam कहू। bulk commercial emails, unwanted solicited emails माने आसे ताको हमें spam कहू। Which specific utility feature in MS Word allows merging a single data template with multiple addresses to print mass mailer? ABCD आंसर होची मेल मर्ज। आंसर होची मेल मर्ज। नेक्स्ट हला in MS Excel the intersection of a vertical column and a horizontal row is known as cell। आंसर होची cell। What is the primary function of the F7 key across major Microsoft Office application? F7 आंसर होची स्पेलिंग एंड ग्रामर चेक। स्पेलिंग एंड ग्रामर चेक F7 टा स्पेलिंग एंड ग्रामर चेक रे यूज हुए माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ऑफिस एप्लीकेशन रे। Which type of network architecture spans a broad geographical domain such as multiple cities or country? आंसर होची WAN। आंसर अछि WAN. Next ହେଲା how many binary bits constitute a standard single byte? Answer ଅଛି 8 bytes. 8 bytes. Next ହେଲା what is the main electronic circuit board residing inside a computer housing system called? Motherboard. Answer ଅଛି motherboard. Next, which shortcut key is executed to reverse or negate the last action performed in MS Office? Control Z. Answer ଅଛି Control Z. Control Z रे हम बैक करूँ MS Office रे. Which of the following describe a temporary volatile computer memory layout? Volatile computer memory layout. Temporary volatile computer memory layout. Answer ଅଛି RAM, random access memory. Next ହେଉଛି what is the optimal shutdown technique that stores open applications on disk and keeps power low? Answer ଅଛି hibernate or sleep. Hibernate sleep କଲେ power low यूज हुए. Next ହେଉଛି what standard protocol is utilized to reliably transfer text, hypermedia and data over the world wide web? Answer ହେଉଛି HTTPS. ଏହି PDF ପାଇବା ପାଇଁ ମେସେଜ କରନ୍ତୁ. ଏହି ନମ୍ବର ମୁଁ ଲେଖିଦେଉଛି 7320683331. ଫ୍ରିରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଏହି PDFଟା ଦିଆଯିବ. ଏହି ନମ୍ବରରେ ସେଣ୍ଡ ମି PDF ଆଉ ଏହି PDFର ନାଁ କହିଦେବେ. 50 ଇମ୍ପୋର୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ କୋଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଅଫ୍ ରିପିଟେଡ୍ OSSC ରିପିଟେଡ୍ କୋଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ବୋଲିକି ମେସେଜ କରିଦେଲେ ମୁଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ପଠାଇଦେବି ଫ୍ରିରେ. आंसर ଅଛି HTTPS. Which component in an Excel cell reference mark absolute targeting that log columns or row? Answer ଅଛି $sign. $sign. A cluster of exactly 4 binary data bits is classified as a nibble. Sorry, a nibble. Which key combination switch focus dynamically forward among currently running active window environments? Answer ଅଛି Alt plus Tab. Which historic leader from Odisha is famously honored with the distinct title Utkal Kesari? Utkala Kesari. Utkala Kesari. Hare Krishna Mahatab. Hare Krishna Mahatab. Hare Krishna Mahatab. Utkala Kesari. Hare Krishna Mahatab. Which geographical river system stand as the largest and most prominent water source in the state of Odisha? এটা ସବୁ ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି. Mahanadi river. Next ଅଛି in which significant calendar year did the historic Paika revolution take place in Khordha against British rule? କୋଉଟା 1817. led by Bakshi Jagabandhu, the Paika Revolution of 1817 marks an early organized armed offshore against British colonialism. Next ହେଲା the Odisha Public Service Commission OPSC was formally constituted in which post? Independence year 1949 1949 ଏହି PDF ପାଇବା ପାଇଁ ସେହି ନମ୍ବରରେ ମେସେଜ କରନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଯାହା ନମ୍ବର ଦେଇଛି। ନେକ୍ସଟ ହେଲା which district or cultural region in Odisha is globally acclaimed for its Savai grass weaving craft tradition? Answer ଅଛି ମୟୂରଭଞ୍ଜ। Next ହେଲା following India's independence the first general election for the state's legislative assembly according India's independence the first general election for the state's legislative assembly କେବେ ହେଇଥିଲା? 1952 who authored the iconic patriotic poem Bande Utkala Janani adopted as the official state anthem of Odisha? କିଏ ଲେଖିଥିଲେ? କାନ୍ତକବି ଲକ୍ଷ୍ମୀକାନ୍ତ ମହାପାତ୍ର। କାନ୍ତକବି ଲକ୍ଷ୍ମୀକାନ୍ତ ମହାପାତ୍ର। ବନ୍ଦେ ଉତ୍କଳ ଜନନୀ ଚାରୁ ହାସମୟୀ ଚାରୁ ଡ୍ୟାଶ ଡ୍ୟାଶ जननी जननी जननी। नेक्स्ट है the world famous sun temple situated at Konark was originally commissioned by which majestic ruler? के लांगुला नरसिंहदेव। लांगुला नरसिंहदेव। नेक्स्ट है which pristine lake in Odisha state out Asia's largest brackish water coastal lagoon system? brackish water coastal lagoon system चिलिका। चिलिका lake। नेक्स्ट है the legendary structural marble Hirakud dam is built across which major river canal? इटा सब जानी महानदी। महानदी। who is famously recognized as the ultimate epic creator of the complete Odia Mahabharata script? Sarala Das। Sarala Das। Sudramuni Sarala Das wrote the masterpiece in the 15th century, earning him the title of Adi Kavi of Odia literature. Adi Kavi Sarala Das. In which exact historical year did Odisha get carved out a distinct linguistic province under British governance? Answer होची 1936। Which esteemed destination in Odisha is traditionally revered by local pilgrims as अर्कक्षेत्र? अर्कक्षेत्र। अर्कक्षेत्र। अर्कक्षेत्र कोणार्क। अर्कक्षेत्र Konark complex. Konark is known as Orkakshetra because Orka refers to the sun god, the temple's central deity. Where is the state-run central printing asset Odisha government press physical situated? कोठी? central printing asset Kotak city। Kotak। The main industrial printing press infrastructure for official state publication is located in Kotak. Which eminent tribal freedom fighter from Odisha bravely resisted British forces within the Sambalpur territory. Bir Surendra Sai Medical College, Burla. Bir Surendra Sai fought valiantly against British rule until his arrest and subsequent death in Asirgarh jail. The annual world-renowned Ratha Yatra festival observed in Puri dedicatedly honor which divine trinity? Lord Jagannath, Lord Balabhadra, Lord Subhadra. Jai Jagannath. The grand chariotic festival marked the annual journey of Lord Jagannath, Balabhadra and Subhadra to Gundicha temple. Which specific coastal city serves as the primary multi-modal international deep water port of Odisha? Paradip Port. Paradip Deep Water Port of Odisha. Multi-modal international deep water port. Paradip. Which protected sanctuary ecosystem in Kendrapada is famous for protecting an endangered saltwater crocodile? Vitarakonika. Who was the renowned first graduate, visionary, lawyer, prominent nationalist, political pioneer of modern Odisha? Madhusudan Das. Madhusudan Das. ଛୋଟ ଛୋଟ ଥିଲା ବେଳେ ସେ ରାସ୍ତା କାମ କରିଥିଲେ, ସେ ଗୋଟେ ଚାପ୍ଟର ଗୋଟେ ଅଛି. Which industrial capital region in western Odisha is globally famous as the steel city? Raurkela. Raurkela region hub. Raurkela house is the historic first public sector integral steel plant established with German collaboration. এটা भी एग्जाम रे पड़े. କାହା ସହ କୋଲାବୋରେସନ କରି ଷ୍ଟିଲ ପ୍ଲାଣ୍ଟ ରାଉରକେଲାରେ ତିଆରି ହେଇଥିଲା? ଜର୍ମାନ କୋଲାବୋରେସନ, ଜର୍ମାନ ଟେକ୍ନିକ, ଜର୍ମାନ ସେଫର୍ଡ. General awareness. The foundational text containing ancient Hindu philosophical treatises are broadly classified as the text Upanishad. The Upanishad contained core philosophical discussion on ultimate reality, Brahma, and the individual self, Atman. According to the Constitution of India, which article mandate that there shall be a governor for each state? Which article mandates there shall be a governor for each state? Which article? Answer 153. 153. Which historic Pushyabhuti dynasty emperor suffered a critical defeat at the hands of Chalukya king Pulakesin II? ଏହାର ଆନ୍ସର କୁହ. हर्षवर्धन. Emperor Harshvardhan southward expansion stalled when Pulakesin II defeated him along the Narmada river. Which calendar does India annually observe National Civil Service Day? Which calendar does India annually observe National Civil Service Day? April 21. Observe as April 21 commemorating Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's address calling civil servant the steel frame of India. Next, who authored the groundbreaking and revolutionary सोशियो पॉलिटिकल टेक्स्ट एनिहिलेशन ऑफ कास्ट यार आंसर अछि बी आर अम्बेडकर। व्हाट इज द exact calculated difference in local time between two geographical points situated exactly 1 degree longitude apart? What is the exact calculated difference in local time between two geographical points? यार आंसर अछि 4 मिनट। द अर्थ रोटेट 360 डिग्री जेमिति आम चैनल ना लास्ट 360 डिग्री अच्छी एमती द अर्थ रोटेट 360 डिग्री इन 24 आवर व्हिच मैथमेटिकली सिंप्लीफाइज टू एक्जाक्टली 4 मिनट पर सिंगल डिग्री ऑफ लॉन्गिट्यूड। नेक्स्ट होची व्हिच कंट्री क्लेम्स रियाद आज इट्स ऑफिशियल सोवेरियन कैपिटल सिटी? कतर, यूनाइटेड अरब इमिरेट्स, सऊदी अरेबिया, कुवैत। यार आंसर होची सऊदी अरेबिया। Who translated the sacred ancient text Bhagavad Gita from its original Sanskrit into English for the first time? के संस्कृत रु इंग्लिश रे ट्रांसलेट करथिले भगवद गीता को? यह मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट के करथिले? चार्ल्स वेल्किन। चार्ल्स वेल्किन्स। यही पीडीएफ फ्री रे पाइबा पई यही नंबर मेसेज करंतु मु आपनको स्क्रीन रे नंबर लिखि देउछि 7326068331 फ्री रे यही पीडीएफ ता संगे आउ 15-20 टा पीडीएफ एमती 50-50 टा इंपोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन ओटीपीएससी रो पाइबा पई यही नंबर रे हाय सेंड मी पीडीएफ बोली मेसेज कले मु आपनको जहाँ पीडीएफ अच्छे सब फ्री रे आपनको सेंड कर देबी। नेक्स्ट हला द नैरो ओशेनिक वाटरवे नोन एज द डंकन पैसेज इज फिजिकली सिचुएटेड बिटवीन साउथ अंडमान एंड लिटिल अंडमान। साउथ अंडमान एंड लिटिल अंडमान कौन हला? हाँ हला लास्ट क्वेश्चन हु इज द एक्लेम्ड कंटेम्पोरारी ऑथर ऑफ द पॉपुलर हिस्टोरिकल नॉन फिक्शन वर्क इंडिया आफ्टर गांधी? के नॉन फिक्शन वर्क के करथिले? रामचंद्र गुहा। एमिनेंट historian Ramachandra Guha wrote this chronicle documenting India's modern democratic journey post 1947. थैंक यू आपण एते जाए वीडियो देखि थिवारु। जदि कंटेंट भल लागला आपन को फ्री पीडीएफ पाइबार अच्छी एमती पाइबार अच्छी सबुदिन तेबे आपण यही नंबर रे मेसेज करंतु आउ फ्री रे पीडीएफ पांतु फ्री रे 331 आउ चैनल को जदि भल लागला सब्सक्राइब कर दियंतु आउ जदि भल लागला नाही बोले डिसलाइक कर दियंतु भल लागला बोले लाइक कर दियंतु आपनकर सब रहिला। थैंक यू।